Welcome back to HARBRO Freight and one of my most favorite deals. The Dollar Days is back. Dollar Days now through 7/16. Dollar Days are always back at Harbor Freight going on July 3rd to July 17th. So out there today, if you're going out there with the 15% early ITC coupon to get 15% off of any tool, what are you getting? And if you find this helpful, please consider liking or subscribing. It helps the channel a lot. I want to get to 10,000 subscribers. Anyways, let's go into the Dollar Days. And starting off with the classic Merlin 1/4-inch steel industrial plug. Your choice of either female or male. Don't discriminate. $1.59 off. Clog resistant. That's new to me. Someone explain to me what clog resistant is, because I don't think I've ever had a pen clog up on me. Clog resistant job site permanent markers 2-pack, $1, 49% off. Good start. Pittsburgh 4-inch magnetic parts holder for $1, 69% off. A+ percentage off. I don't think I've ever seen 69% off. They're getting me. I'm gonna pick that up. This was free recently, but that's okay. 4-inch magnetic parts holder for $1. 9-foot by 12-foot disposable drop cloth. Surprisingly, would come in handy. $1, 49% off. Use it wherever you need to use it, wherever you need a disposable drop cloth. Warrior 2 7/8-inch magnetic bit holder for $2, only 19% off. Save 49 cents there. Okay, 18-inch long neck funnel for $2, 53% off. That is a great deal on a funnel. I know you're out there, those of you who don't use funnels, but for $2, you're going in this weekend to get your 15% off of your new Predator power station. $2 here. Get it. You need it. Pittsburgh 25-foot by 1-inch quick find tape measure with ABS casing. $2, 59% off. Okay, got my attention there. Pretty good for a 25-foot tape measure. Yeah, that's a solid deal. Lifetime warranty on top of that. You spend $2 and you basically keep this thing forever. Pittsburgh 15-inch flat pry bar, 30% off. $3. 5-foot by 6-inch by 7-foot 6-inch heavy duty reflective all-purpose tarp, weather resistant tarp. $3, 39% off. And is there any other magnet fans out there? I'm excited to see this. 65-pound magnetic decor hooks, 2-pack, $3, normally $5. Save 39%. Each one of these holds up to 65 pounds. I'm sold. I just want to do a test on these. Where's Torque Test Channel doing a test on the US General magnets versus these magnets and the other magnets that are $3. 65 pounds per hook. Great deal here. Storehouse L-shaped hang all 2-pack. Get your hoses off the floor. $3, 39% off. This is absolutely necessary. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty again. 10-inch curved jaw locking pliers for $4, 49% off. Excellent deal. Then we have the original Stick Tech 50-yard by 1.88 inches cloth back silver duct tape for $4, 16% off. The Hall Master 400-pound capacity 12-foot by 1-inch locking tie downs, a 2-pack for $5, 16% off here. Some Hardy full grain cowhide leather work gloves, something decent to just toss into the cart at $5. Normally $7, 28% off, available in medium, large, or extra large. Then we have Gordon. Yes, we got some good ones coming up. Gordon, folding lockback utility knife. You definitely need a utility knife. You can always have a few, especially a Gordon one. You know that is quality. $5 at 28% off. That's a easy pickup when you're headed out the door through the Dollar Days. Then we have the Braun 200 lumen LED pen light. Put that in your pocket square or in your shirt tee pocket. $5, normally $8, 37% off. That is a steal of a deal for the Braun 200 lumen LED pen light. If you pick this up to 30%, you thought you were getting a deal. Here it is, 37% off. Gotta love dollar days. Then we have the Voyager 15-inch tool bag with 14 pockets down to $6, 39% off. So if you have some just loose tools around, or you need to put together a quick home kit so all your tools are in one place and you don't have to have them all in your toolbox, this is clutch. $6. Next, Pittsburgh 30-inch quick release bar clamp, $6, 24% off. Excellent deal. More Braun 300 lumen magnetic pocket work light for $6. Only 14% off, which is not as exciting. But $6, normally $7, and it's magnetic and it's Braun and it's 300 lumens. I'm a fan. $6. I wish they would have done a little bit more, but $6 still a decent deal. Next, Pittsburgh screwdriver set, 8-piece for $8, normally $10, 19% off. Pretty decent for an 8-piece screwdriver set. Lifetime warranty again. That's absolutely wild. Spend $8. That's essentially the price of the warranty itself. Can't go wrong with that. And then the all too valuable pick sets. If you don't have a pick set and you don't want to spend, probably double the price, but a Pittsburgh lifetime warranty pick and hook set 7-piece for $8, 33% off. If you weren't able to get the free pick set that Icon gave away earlier in the year, this is not a bad choice. And you get 7 pieces. So 7 pieces, different picks pointing different ways. Great variety of picks here, especially if you don't have a pick set. Solid deal and a lifetime warranty. Bunker Hill Security 115 lumen wall mount solar security lights. Your choice of color, $9, 24% off, normally $12. And then last but not least, on the dollar days, 3/4-inch pipe clamp and base, $9, 24% off. A couple options for some clamps. Can't go wrong there. Decent discounts. And those are the dollar days. Again, some decent pickups for everyday items that you might need. Excellent pen light, excellent utility blade, utility knife. Those are super clutch. And then these magnets, $3, they hold 65 pounds each. I think there's some pretty good deals here. What do you think? Which one of these dollar days are you considering? Keep in mind, we got the 4th of July 15% off. Early access ITC Thursday, today, and rest of the weekend, 4th to the 6th, 15% off of any single item. And as a bonus, I'm going to throw this in. This is brand new as well. 20% off of any single Black Widow product. 20% off, and they're all listed here. There's 8 items. We're going to go ahead and sort this from high to low. And you have the Black Widow by Spectrum. This is $220. We'll take a quick look at this. It's the professional airbrush compressor kit. $220, has pressure control for each line, letting you operate 2 airbrushes at the same time. I don't use airbrushes. Looks like somebody's working on a car part here or making a painting of a flower. That's the type of things you can get at Harbor Freight. And at $220, bring out the trusty calculator and you're saving 20%. You're getting this for $176. Now, I don't know how much airbrushes systems like this, compressor kits, go for, with the exception of this Iwata IS975 that's over $500. Here you're getting the Black Widow by Spectrum for $176, saving $44, which is excellent. Anyways, happy 4th of July weekend. Stay safe out there. Enjoy some fireworks. Happy Harbor Freighting. Happy shopping. Save some money. Hopefully your wallet doesn't hurt as bad as mine. I'm going to try to just stick to those magnets. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.